Hello and welcome to my GitHub project. The title of this particular project is Liri Bot, as you see on my instructions. Liri Bot is a language interpretation and recognition interface, and the purpose of this app is to execute on these particular commands that you see under challenge. Concert this, Spotify this song, movie this, and do what it says. And we will go through that in Visual Studio and let you see exactly what kind of information we can get using this app. So when I go type in node and then Liri.js, our main file for Liri, and let's go with that first one, concert this. And let's look up some concert info. Being an old school metalhead, I'll look up Ozzy Osbourne. Let's see what we get. Okay. So we see Ozzy will be playing at Ozfest 2018 in Inglewood on the date of 12/31/2018. That is the concert this part. Pull up that command and previous command and modify this a bit. Now we will try Spotify this song. The last API that was being used was called Bands in Town, by the way. Spotify the song, this one's using Spotify. And going with classics, I'll put in Stairway to Heaven. And when I enter in that particular command, we get the artist, we get a preview link of the song, and we get the album name. In this case, Led Zeppelin 4. Liri in this case is also programmed to, if there is no selection for the song, to automatically pull up Ace of Base, or actually pull up the song The Sign by Ace of Base. The next part of this is if I'll pull up that previous command, and if we'll go from Spotify the song to movie this is the next one. This one is using the OMDB API. And Blade Runner. I got the old ones in my head tonight. Blade Runner. When I put in that info, here's what we get. The title of the movie, the year the movie came out, IMDb rating of the movie, Rotten Tomatoes rating of the movie, country where it was produced, countries, I should say, languages of the movie, plot of the movie, and the actors in the movie is the particular information being pulled from the API. And using that same API, if we opt for nothing and do not pick a particular movie and select it, then we get the information by default for the movie Mr. Nobody. That brings up the initial verbiage. If you haven't seen Mr. Nobody, then you should, and the same info, the title of the movie, etc., etc. And the final part here, let me pull up that last command, we'll back up on this a little bit. And this one, do what it says. This particular command is using Spotify as well, but it's programmed to go through using Spotify and bring up the song I Want It That Way by the Backstreet Boys. There you have it, and this is how my Liri Bot app works. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching.